Hey guys, welcome to the shop. In this series, we are building a guitar. It's designed by YouTube, and then I'm building it, and I'm going to give it away to somebody out there. Today, I'm going to let you know whether we're building a cutaway or not. It's not even a big mystery. If you looked at the poll results, it's a landslide. We're doing a cutaway, but that's no big surprise. We're also going to get working on the Rosette today. Remember, this is a combination between Dave's modern style and Josh's walnut style Rosette. So you guys really don't know what it's going to look like yet, so I'm going to reveal that to you today. So if you haven't entered to win this guitar giveaway contest, it's real simple. Just subscribe up here, and then go to my website, spenceracoustics.com, join the mailing list. Just like that, you have a chance to win this guitar. So we got a lot to do today, so we better get busy. Let's get into the shop. figuring out where I wanted my pieces. Now I gotta start notching them to fit. I think I'm gonna do this overlapping kind of style. So what I need to do is get that cut out and the piece below it. So I'm just gonna scribe a mark. Right on a piece of wood. I don't have to worry about scratching the top of this because it's standing up so high. I'm going to sand off any scratches that I might make anyway, so don't have to be too careful with the marks as far as worrying about damaging what's below. Alright, I don't know if you can see this because this is pretty tiny and pretty small. Let's see if I can get it to focus on that. Here you can see the little scratch marks in there. So all these fancy guitars you see, you think, wow, how did they do that? They just spent a lot of time. We're almost done. Well, with this part, we still got that walnut thing to put in there, that shell. That's as far as we go for now. We're going to get the alien walnut shell thing in here before we go any farther. Looks pretty good. Well, it looks like we ran into a bit of a snag. Turns out walnuts in the shell is a little bit of a seasonal item in the stores. I checked several different grocery stores, went to a couple different convenience stores, went to Walmart, all the typical places that you'd think to find nuts. But none of them had, they all had walnuts, but none of them had them in the shell. So I had to go to the Old Faithful and went on to Amazon and I've ordered a bag of nuts. But they're not going to be here for a couple of days, so I won't be able to finish the rosette in this video. But I do have this part done, so at least you can see that. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So that's a pretty good start. What I'm planning on doing is putting an alien face down here in this open area down here. So that won't take very long, but we'll have to finish this up for next Tuesday's video. Make sure you tune in on Friday. I've got a really special video planned for Friday. You'll definitely want to see that. You won't want to miss that. Also, if you like the videos, please subscribe. If you haven't entered to win the guitar yet, make sure you subscribe here and then go to my website, spenceracoustics.com, enter your email and your name, and it's easy as that. You're entered to win this guitar. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, pass it on, share it to your friends, and I will see you on Friday.